You're looking at the 1968 Buick Electra 4-door 225 resin body kit. Detailed undercarriage with a full engine? Wow. Just take a look at the detail. Modeled in 1/25th scale. This body kit includes the body, detailed undercarriage, rims, windows, tires, and interior. This kit took me over a month to build. Check out the details. Available now at thefantasticjunkyard.com right now. All resin kits are 1/25th scale and come with a full satisfaction guarantee. Check me out on eBay with a 100% rating and 232 items sold. I try my best to make a high-quality product, and I hope you guys like it. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel to see all the new additions being added to the site. Thanks a bunch for watching, and I hope you guys and gals have a wonderful day. Peace out.